government already subsidized reduced fast taxes, and then used the oil subsidy to try to contain the escalation of prices. And I believe that anything that can be done will be done to ensure that we protect our country. But let's be honest, as a country, sometimes, because everybody's trying to look good, including even those who are in government, sometimes we don't face directly and tell people exactly how serious that situation is. The situation that is happening in the Strait of Hormuz and the fights in Iraq and the whole disruption of the oil supply chain is actually very serious, and many countries are suffering. Our neighbors, a number of countries in our neighborhood, don't have fuel in the first place. Forget about the prices. They don't have it. Some countries have told their citizens to stay home and work from home. In some cases, you have situations where people are rationing so that you can get certain liters of fuel per week. This is very serious in other countries. But because of the foresight and the G2G program, we at least have guarantee of supply of the fuel, even if it's in a higher price. There is a guarantee. It would be worse if we completely didn't have fuel. It would be even worse. And we need to face this situation directly as citizens of Kenya, to tell ourselves, where are we, what is the situation in the world, and where should we go to, how much of our taxes should be used to contain the oil prices, and whether, that is, to what extent that can resolve the problem. So this is a conversation that is ongoing, and I want us to do it in a civilized environment. Those who have contrary opinions to bring their opinions on the table, and not really engage in acts of violence. And that's why I'm saying today was, however much we witnessed some lawlessness in some areas, largely, I can say maybe 98% of the country was secure, even 99%. The 1% was a few spots where some political actors decided to engage criminal elements in acts of lawlessness and violence.
My name is Daniel Isaiah.